Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to explore some beautiful hand embroidery designs that can add a special and handmade touch to clothes, home decor and accessories. Hand embroidery is a wonderful craft. Beautiful is a simple, creative and relaxing. With just a needle, thread and fabric, you can create beautiful patterns and colorful designs. Let's look at some lovely ideas. First, we have floral embroidery design. Flowers are one of the most popular choices for hand embroidery. You can create roses, daisies, tulips, leaves and small flowers. These designs look beautiful on shirts, sleeves, necklines and dupattas. You can use bright colors for a cheerful look or soft colors for a simple and elegant style. Next, we have leaf and vine patterns. These designs are perfect when you want something simple but stylish. A long vine with small leaves can be embroidered around the neckline, on the borders of a dress, or along the edge of a scarf. You can also combine leaves with small flowers to create a beautiful natural pattern. Another lovely idea is embroidery on sleeves. A small design on the sleeves can make a plain outfit look more interesting. You can use flowers, leaves, small dots, or simple geometric patterns for a modern look. Keep the design small and clean. Let's also talk about neckline embroidery. A beautiful neckline embroidery can become the main highlight of an outfit. You can create a floral border, delicate vines or small repeated patterns around the neck. This idea works well for both casual and formal clothes. If you love colorful designs, try multicolor embroidery. Use several shades of thread to create flowers, leaves, birds or decorative patterns. You can choose colors that match your fabric on or use outstanding colors to make the embroidery stand out. Another beautiful option is mirror and embroidery work. Small mirrors can be combined with colorful stitches to create a traditional and festive look. This style is especially beautiful on dresses, kurtis, shawls and dupattas. For a more elegant appearance, try white embroidery. Use white thread on white, cream or light colorful fabric. This creates a soft and classy design. It is a great choice for delicate shirts, tablecloths, pillow covers and special dresses. You can also try geometric embroidery design. Lines, circles, diamonds, stars and small simple shapes can create a modern look. These designs are easy to repeat and can be used on borders, pockets, bags and home decor items. For children's clothes, cute embroidery designs are a great choice. You can make little hearts, butterflies, clouds, flowers, animals and stars. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.